Nutritious sweet potato puree recipe for babies. Sweet potato puree is a nutrient-rich choice for babies 6 months and older. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, it supports healthy vision, skin, and digestion. Learn how to make this nutritious puree for your baby. Ingredients needed: sweet potatoes 1 medium-sized, butter or home-made ghee 1 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1/8 teaspoon optional. How to make: 1. Wash the sweet potatoes in running water. 2. Cut the sweet potatoes into pieces. 3. Pressure cook the sweet potatoes with water for 3 whistles. You can also boil, steam, or bake the sweet potatoes. Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby food recipe videos. Please continue watching. 4. Peel the skin off with your hands. 5. Place the cooked sweet potatoes in a wide bowl. 6. Mash them well with a fork or blend them using a blender or mixie. 7. Heat ghee and add the mashed sweet potato mix with cardamom powder optional. 8. Fry for 2 minutes in a low-medium flame. You can remove it from the flame when the mixture has blended well with the ghee. 9. You can change the consistency by adding water, breast milk, formula milk, or cow's milk to be used after 10 months of age. Creating healthy and tasty meals for your baby can be challenging but rewarding. While it's easy to get excited, remember to introduce new tastes, textures, and colors gradually, as babies have sensitive digestion.